Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel, where we dive into the latest safety results from Euro NCAP crash tests. Today, we're diving into the crash test results for the 2024 Volvo XC60, a model known for prioritizing driver and passenger safety. In the frontal offset test, the XC60's passenger compartment held up with impressive stability, protecting the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. In the full-width barrier test, protection was generally strong, though chest protection for the rear passenger was rated as marginal. In the more severe side barrier and side pull tests, the XC60 performed exceptionally, scoring maximum points in both categories. This demonstrates Volvo's commitment to keeping occupants safe even in challenging side impacts. One standout feature is the XC60's autonomous emergency braking system, which excelled at avoiding collisions at low city speeds, offering peace of mind in stop-and-go traffic. From excellent whiplash protection to maximum points in safety testing, the Volvo XC60 upholds its reputation as a safe and reliable choice. Volvo's dedication to safety shines through in every feature, making the XC60 a top pick for safety-conscious drivers. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving safety. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.